Washing Machine Dryer Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global washing machine dryer market size will be $15,269.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America washing machine dryer market size of $6,107.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe washing machine dryer market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $4,580.85 million. Asia Pacific washing machine dryer market size of $3,511.99 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America washing machine dryer market size of $763.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa washing machine dryer market size of $305.39 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.